Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix For Honor game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, fizzing, black screen issue on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the games. For that, go to the store page on Steam. Now search for the game, and after that, here you will find the requirements. Just you have to go below after searching for the game and then check here the system requirements. Make sure your PC have all the required specs and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, go to the next method. So the next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on general. Here under launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then launch the game and check whether it's working. If the issue still occurs, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters and select graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once the graphics drivers are updated, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will take some time to verify the files. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to run the game from installation folder. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here you have to select the game application and double click on it and check if it's working. If it's not opening, so for that you have to run the game as administrator. For that, right click on the game application and select properties. Now click on compatibility. Here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game and check if it's working. If not, then again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working now. If the issue still occurs, then come back, uncheck all of these and click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. Next method is to allow the game through Firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for Windows security. Now Firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through Firewall. Now here you have to click on change settings. After that, you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, then you have to click on allow another app and click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK. Now after that, launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next is to delete easy anti-cheat folder. So what you need to do is, you are suggested to reinstall the easy anti-cheat folder as it can help to fix the problem. So what you need to do is, just you have to go and delete the anti-cheat folder and after that again launch Steam. Now right tap on the game, go to properties. Now under install files you have to verify the game. This will reinstall the easy anti-cheat files and restore the missing files. So what you need to do is just go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Here you can see easy anti-cheat folder. You just have to delete it. If you want, you can create a backup first and then delete it. Now after deleting it, go to Steam and right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will take some time. Now once the game files are verified, this will automatically reinstall the easy anti-cheat files and restore all the missing files. After that, try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, then click on settings, then click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, launch the game and check. Same for GeForce Experience. Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, and this will check if there is any update available. You have to wait for some time, and if there is any update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ on Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and you will get repair or install option. So click on repair option and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now close this and restart your PC once. After restarting, log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for view advanced system settings. Then click on settings, then click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set, then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to perform a clean boot. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig and press OK. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to go to the services tab, and you have to click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. Once done, after that go to the startup tab. Now click on open task manager. After that, here you have to select the items and then click on select the item and then click on disable. So after doing this, again go back, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC once, and after that try to play the game and check whether it's launching or not. If not, then next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you select high performance, now try to open the game and check whether it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall For Honor game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So once you done this, this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall For Honor game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix For Honor game crashing and startup, lagging, freezing, black screen issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.